Hello, friends! Let's learn the days of the week in a fun and easy way. Are you ready? Let's go! Monday. Monday's here, a brand new start. Time to learn and play with heart. Smiles and giggles light the way. We're ready for a happy day. Tuesday. Tuesday comes, the sun is bright. Let's explore from left to right. Adventures waits for me and you. Each day brings something fun and new. Wednesday. Wednesday's here. We clap and cheer. Half the week, hooray, it's near. With friends around, the fun won't end. A happy day we all can spend. Thursday. Thursday sings a cheerful tune. Morning, night, and afternoon. Work and play go hand in hand. Together strong, we'll always stand. Friday. Friday's fun. We shout hooray! The weekend's just a step away. We dance around, we laugh, we play. A joyful end to our busy day. Saturday. Saturday shines, no rush, no school. We play at home, we splash, we cool. A day for rest, for games, for cheer. The best time of the week is here. Sunday. Sunday's calm, the skies are blue. A day for family, me and you. We rest, we smile, we give our best, and get prepared for Monday's quest. Now, let's review the days of the week. Let's say them all together without stopping. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. Saturday. Saturday. Sunday. Sunday. You did it! Give yourself a big clap. Would you like to learn and to hear another magical story? Tap on a picture to keep reading with us. See you!